Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, March 16th, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. We had another really crappy day today. I mean, a crappy day. Uh, Most of the day, my screens were all red. And combined with this, uh, TradeStation Securities was having their problems. This actually started yesterday with the time change. Uh, the algorithm seemed to be working only intermittently, and I got a lot of email from other customers who were experiencing similar problems. My trade station worked pretty good today, but other people were notifying me they were having problems with it. I had my problems yesterday. You know, it's who knows what they're doing. I hope that everything will be straightened out tomorrow. But I'm certain that the problems had to do with the time change in their computers or whatever. God knows. Anyway, but it was a crappy day. It would have been a crappy day with or without daylight savings. So, anyway, okay, the Dow, you're looking at the Dow chart here. Dow opened higher and then moved lower, ended up closing down 128 points. Our statistics stunk. We had 10 positions. We closed out negative $9,000 on those. We got into 6 new positions, 2 positive, 4 negative, and we're carrying negative $9,000 going into tomorrow in open trade equity. So, yeah, down 128. We close out negative 9. We carry negative 9. I'll show you 3 stocks. This kind of typical is typical of the bad ones, and most everything was bad today. This um, is EXPR Express Incorporated, and we had taken a positive trade around $3,000 yesterday. Then we got re-entered here on the high bar of the day. Uh, Closed against us slightly, but big push down this morning on the open. That cost us $5,000 in Express Incorporated. This was the best trade of the day. This is BSQR, B Square Corporation, and we had bought this yesterday right out of the gate. Big push up here within 45 minutes of our buy, but it did come back, and then it, yeah, I mean it, sold off there, but then it came back toward the end, had a nice closing on it, little gap down there this morning for our exit, unfortunately, but we still took $5,800 out of B Square Corporation this morning, but that was the best trade out of the whole bunch. Everything else really smelled bad. Um, and this one, uh, this might be becoming my least favorite stock of all time. This is ANCN, that's Anciano Therapeutics, and this thing gapped up. We grabbed it on the third bar. It's up. Oh man, I'm trying to think. I think it was up 16,000 $17,000 up here at the top, maybe even more than that, and then immediately started to fail and fail and fail. And on the close, we're down $11,000 on this. Okay, that's the official close. But we're in the aftermarket now. Okay, aftermarket. In the aftermarket, this thing came back at least halfway. Okay, so um, it was profitable, not hugely profitable, but we got, you go from negative 11,000 to profitable a couple thousand. That's a big move in the aftermarket. And then it kind of slipped back to being slightly negative in the aftermarket the last time I checked. So who knows what this thing is going to do? And of course, the aftermarket's going to be over in about an hour, and then we have the pre-market starting at 1 a.m. my time, and who knows what this can do? But I am not holding very high hopes for Anciano Therapeutics. It turned out to be about a week ago. We went through this again. It looked like we are going to make a ton of money with it, and I think we ended up losing money on it. So, hey, maybe it'll reverse it. We just don't know. I don't know. Stocks are really crazy today. Not very encouraging. You got to trade through this, folks. It's a part of trading, but it's ugly. Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Wednesday.